Hi friends, this video shows how to insert battery into this Canon R50 camera. We can locate battery slot on the back side of this R50 camera. We have to open this cap. Here we can see lock and open. We have to pull this down, then we can open it, and this is the battery slot. And I am going to insert this battery. So this is a LP E17 battery. So when we insert, this Canon label has to come this side. See, we can insert like this. Then push. Done. Then we can close this and lock it. So this way we can insert the battery. If you want to remove this battery, again open this cap, unlock, open it. Here we can see one lever. That lever we need to pull down. See, now we can remove the battery. So this way we can insert and remove the battery from this Canon R50 camera. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.